Hello, today I'm going to tell you the top 5 common mistakes of small YouTubers. Your channel will grow if you avoid doing these things. Number 1, creating video that nobody cares about it. It means that you are creating that is not interested toward viewers. So in this case, what you will do, create that kind of video that is interested and get more retention of viewers and create based on your niche. For example, you want to upload a Minecraft tutorial. Just search a Minecraft tutorial and sort the video by view count on this week or on this month. Look at the content that gets so much attention and try to make similar video based on that content. And remember to use the same keywords they have used on their title, so your video gets recommended to more audience. Number 2, wrong YouTube intro. Most of the small YouTubers doesn't care about it. If you want viewers retention, the first 10 seconds of your video is the key. If you making a content about beautiful beach vlog, start your video with beautiful shot of that beach and include a question that you found something. In that 10-second intro, you can make viewers confused on what that video is about. Number 3, starting without doing research. I know most of the people nowadays does YouTube to earn money, and starting a channel without having a proper knowledge about YouTube is a big mistake. They just keep uploading any kind of content without knowing how YouTube algorithm work and expecting people to work it. New YouTubers don't even read the community guidelines and policy that cause them copyright strike reuse the content. Number 4, never focus on one niche. This is one of the most often reason why small YouTubers fail. When you start on YouTube, you need to focus on one niche. Don't upload different kind of video that is not in your niche. If you do this, then you're doing a big mistake. That's why you should only focus on one niche, that is your channel is made on that. Number 5, not uploading video in a consistent schedule. You need to have a schedule for it. It means that you should make a proper schedule for uploading video. So that is all for today.